Good afternoon. Today's class is about identities relating to square roots. Already you have studied a lot of identities. Today we are going to study some identities relating to square roots. First one is root of a into b, which is equal to, we can split this root a into root b. This is the first identity. Second one, root of a divided by b. This is also we can split root a by root b. Third one is root a plus root b into root a minus root b. Just multiply this one, root a into root a, that is a, root a into minus root b, minus root a into root b, root b into root a, plus root a root b, plus into minus, minus, root b into root b is b. Here, minus root a b plus root a root b. So, these two terms get cancelled, remaining a minus b. So, the third identity is root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equal to a minus b. Fourth identity, a plus root b into a minus root b, which is equal to this one, this identity we already studied, that is x plus a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here also a plus b into a minus b format is here. So the answer here is a square minus b square. Here b square is root b square, which is equal to a minus root b square is a square minus b, because root b square is b. So the fourth identity is a plus root b into a minus root b equal to a square minus b. Fifth one is root a plus root b into root c plus root d is equal to, multiply both the terms. First root a into root c. So root a root c. Next root a into root d plus root a root d. Next root b into root c plus root b into root c. Last one, root b into root d plus root b into root d. Here we can't simplify this step, so this is the answer. Fifth identity is this one, root a plus root b into root c plus root d is equal to root a root c plus root a root d plus root b root c plus root b root d. Sixth identity is root a plus root b the whole square. So, this is in the form a plus b the whole square. We can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, here a is root a square plus 2 into a into b, that is root a into root b plus b square. B square is root b square, which is equal to root a square is root a into root a, that is a, plus 2 into root a into root b, 2 into root a b. We can write like this, root a into root b is root a b. See the first identity, root a b is equal to root a into root b. So here we have this form, root a into root b. So we can write like this, plus root b square is b. So the sixth identity is root a plus root b the whole square is equal to a plus 2 into root ab plus b. Example 16. Simplify the following expressions. The first one is 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. Here we can apply the fifth identity. Actually the fifth identity is normal multiplication. So we can multiply this, which is equal to 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Then 5 into root 5. So plus 5 root 5. Root 7 into 2 plus 2 root 7. Root 7 into root 5 plus root 7 into root 5 is root 35. 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35. So this is the answer. Second one, 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. Here see this. This is similar to fourth identity, which is in the form a plus b into a minus b. We know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here, what is a? 5 is a. Formula is a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So here a is 5, b is root 5. So here the answer is a square minus b square. B here is root 5 square, which is equal to 5 square is 25 minus root 5 square is 5, which is equal to 20. 20 is the answer. Third one. Third one is root 3 plus root 7 the whole square. Here we can follow the sixth identity, that is root a plus root b the whole square, which is equal to a plus 2 into root ab plus b. So this is the sixth identity. We are going to follow this one here. Here in the place of root a, we have root 3. In the place of root 7, we have, in the place of root b, we have root 7. So, which is equal to, here the answer is a, that is 3 plus 2 into root ab. Root a, here a is 3, b is 7. So, 7 3s are 21 plus b. b here is 7, which is equal to 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 2 root 21. This is the answer. Now the last one, that is fourth one, root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. So this one is also in the formula a minus b into a plus b. So this one, a minus b into a plus b. So the answer is a square minus b square, which is equal to, here a is root 11. So root 11 square minus b is root 7. Root 7 square, which is equal to root 11 square is root 11 into root 11, that is 11, minus root 7 into root 7 is 7, which is equal to 11 minus 7 is 4. This is the answer.